Hey guys, on this episode of Building the Exocet, I am going to my first car show with my Exocet. So basically, over the last couple weeks, I've worked on getting the car detailed, getting it all waxed up. Everything is clean and as close to perfect as it can get on the car. And so now we're basically, Sunday morning, the car show is at my church. It's Father's Day today, and every year they kind of do a little car show for motorcycles, classic cars, everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive over there, take this in, and I'll take some footage of the car show so you guys see what it's like.
Don't unstrap. I'm getting in. Let's take her for
Hey, Brian.
let's take her for a spin around the the property here. Good morning.
How you doing?
Pretty good, man. Hey, that looks really cool.
Thanks. Oh, I'm trying to get out now.
I saw the picture the other day and I was like, yeah, that looks like a neat project Brent was working on.
It's fun. So far.
Good.
I just finished it this year, really. Well, mostly finished it. Enough to drive it. So back from the car show, everything went pretty good. You know, got a really positive response from the car. I didn't really hang around the car much. I left for a while. I had to come back, but I think everyone enjoyed the car. A lot of people thought it was pretty cool. Most people thought it was pretty cool that, you know, someone could actually build an entire vehicle pretty much by themselves. But yeah, you know, I mean, besides a couple people, somebody was fooling around with my tablet, and because it was on a different user when I got back in it, and somebody spilling mustard from a hot dog on my car, a few people touching it, things like that. It just drives me crazy. It's always amazing to me at car shows how many people decide they can touch people's car or get in them. No one got in the car, thank goodness, at least that I know of. But it's amazing me how many people just you know, immediately just start touching the paint and feeling the car and, you know, reaching inside and everything. It drives me crazy. That's one reason why I don't like going to car shows. But anyways, it was real positive. You know, had a real good response to the Exocet. I have another one coming up for videos. I have a autocross June 5th with the Northwest Auto Sports Association, I think it is, up in Packard, Washington. I'm going to be trailing the car up there. Supposed to be able to get a lot of runs in. It'll be my very first racing event. Never done autocross track, anything like that, so pretty pumped for that. That's going to be coming up. I'm going to do a full video on that. It's kind of a weekend-long event, just on the 4th of July weekend. Then the week after that, I have another car show down in Forest Grove, and we'll see how that goes. And I think that's going to be it for car shows this year. I don't think I'm going to do more than a couple. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the short little video. I will see you in the next one.